The 2018 ISSA show in Dallas, Texas from October 29th to November 1st, 2018 was a well-attended and very productive time for those who attended the show. Further, DEMA constructed a new booth that offered spacious areas so you could move around to inspect and learn about the new and current innovations. At this year's show, DEMA unveiled several new innovations that have been released in 2018 and featured new dispensing technology that will be realized in the coming months. Of course, the booth featured the tried and true DEMA dispensing systems as well. Let's first cover the new technology items. The first is the Aurora laundry dispenser, and second will be the Fusion 1 that will be coming out in early 2019. The first exciting innovation that was released in July 2018 for the laundry area is the Aurora laundry dispenser. It is the newest generation in laundry dispensing technology. Aurora enters the smart device connection and control era with a forward-thinking program using Bluetooth technology for iPhone, iPad, Android devices, and PC integration. Use your smart device to write and store programs, get service reports, and access data from the Aurora Pro Access interface module. The Pro Access controls up to 8 pump stands and locally stores programs, wash data, service notes, and reminders. We are working on further innovations such as remote access and monitoring. That includes programming, reporting, text alerts, and more. Also, multi-machine dispenser that uses up to 4 laundry machines from a single bank of pumps. Pump expansion module that adds up to 4 pumps, and sensor technology that involves flow meters for pump calibration, proof of flow, and delivery. Of course, the tried and true current lineup of laundry products are still working hard for you. The economic but robust V-Line series is fantastic for the small to moderate OPLs. The premium Atlas is up to date and offers many features with the handheld device called Data Grip or the EDSM2 remote. However, the new Aurora's Bluetooth technology using the smart devices is the new way to go. Then, for home style opportunities, we have either the Top Shot or the V-Line RS. The second exciting innovation is the Fusion housekeeping dispenser, the next generation in water-driven dispensing technology. A singular and modular product chemical dispenser with smarter technology designed to make installations faster and easier. Designed to make dispensers more attractive and less typical, Fusion is powered by the all-new Fusion water valve. A water valve using pilot valve technology, simplified yet advanced into a smaller and more efficient package. Fusion 1 is easy to customize and join with additional units. Optional security screw to address potential tampering is included. Also, Fusion is designed for custom branding as well. Fusion has been well tested and will be released in Q1 of 2019. The booth featured all our other dispensing as well. Of course, the long dependable 633 dispensers are still working hard after all these years. Of course, the Fusion is now going to be the top dispenser in this product area. Then we have the multi-dispensing options such as the Extreme 4 MPD multiple product dispenser. Of course, we have our SafeLink inserts and caps. Then the 800 series dispensing, which offers from single to multiple dispensing. Finally, the mobile SafeLink or DEMA 1 dispenser for mobile dispensing and foaming needs. In the 3-compartment sink area, the up-and-coming innovative dispenser with the same technology of Fusion is the Super Sink. It is slated for release in early 2019. The Super Sink uses the same DEMA's patent-pending dispensing technology as Fusion. It works in the fashion of a ball valve dispenser, but without the ball valve, so you have less service call issues. SuperSync is loaded with other great features like plug-and-play water valve components, accepts any common water inlet configuration, a quick access cover, easy yet secure activation, integrated strain relief, and much, much more. I will demonstrate how easy it is to plug and play and service in seconds. The third DEMA advancement that was released early in 2018 is the FlexDose. The FlexDose dispenser is designed to provide common sense and safe solutions for the waterless dispensing applications. Multiple configurations are available with dosing increments between 1/16 and 1 ounce pump strokes. Using our unique anti-reverse pull pump, end users cannot half dose a product, avoiding common issues of other hand pumps on the market. Our no drip valve ensures that even the leanest of doses doesn't get abused, delivering the right amount of chemical each and every time. Available with or without SafeLink. Another area is the advanced drain and odor control dispenser called the Trapper, which was released in early 2018. The Trapper has all the required features of our existing drain and odor control products with advanced yet easy to use features such as digital programming display, multiple chemical pump options, quick change pumps, and quick service battery pack with low battery alerts. Of course, the show featured all the other top warewashing dispensing such as the king of dishwash dispensers called the Titan 2. Also the reliable nitro and dart dispensers as well. Don't forget that DEMA is the leader in industrial market. These areas include fields such as vehicle wash, food and beverage, sanitizing, cleaning and lubricating, machine tool coolants and metal processing, animal medication, foaming for food service, sanitation, etc., etc. I hope you enjoyed viewing the new booth, new innovations, and the current lineup of products in the laundry, housekeeping, kitchen, and industrial fields. I want to give a big applause to the DEMA engineering team that is hard at work designing new innovative dispensers. This new dispensing makes it easier and faster for you to install with simpler and less service in mind, and features attractive designs. It was a great show, and I look forward to next year's event in Las Vegas. If you have further questions or needs, please call me at 314-540-6084 or email me to set up an appointment to see how you can secure the particular DEMA dispensing that will benefit your company's chemical operations. Call me today.